Hey guys, so it is Sunday and we are on our way to Miami, going for our boat ride. So guys, stay tuned, continue watching, and we'll see you in Miami. Alright guys, so now we're in Miami. We're walking towards the boat tour place. Alright guys, we're about to board the boat now, and it's a surprise for her because she doesn't know where she's going. She's just going with the flow.
Get together, family. Look at the camera. Let's all squeeze in. Come over here. Don't be scared. Let's all get together.
So I think that's the boat we're going on. We're going on the Miami Lady.
Welcome aboard. Please be careful about your step. Welcome aboard. Welcome aboard, miss.
Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're about to take off.
We have 130 life jackets for the adults and kids. Downstairs in the main cabin on the left side and port side, there's a joinable life jackets too. The heads, the restrooms, toilets are located for you down the stairs in the back, first deck for ladies and gentlemen. At the bar, daiquiris, pina coladas, margaritas, mixed drinks, snacks, beer, wine, water, soda, juices, lunas. Third tallest in the southeast, right behind New York and Chicago, is Miami. Any questions? My name is Chris. Folks, over to your right, we got the Port of Miami, the largest of the artificial islands in the Bay, is also known as cruise capital of the world. They offer you trips from 1, 3, 5, 7, 14-day long cruises throughout Central, South America, Cozumel, Mexico, and all the Caribbean islands.
Aliens Lady.
Folks, over to your right, Watson Island, home to Jungle Island, Kids Museum Island, Guarda Marina, home to the Miami Yacht Club. You're gonna see some fancy yachts here, guys. Over to your left, there's Bicentennial Park. It's home to the George Perez Art Museum, the Dr. Philip Frost Museum of Science. If you have time, check them out. They open 7 days a week from 9 to 5. You're gonna love the planetarium there. Folks, over to your left, the white bridge you see there built low to the water, that's the Venetian Causeway. The Venetian is the oldest bridge in Dade County. It was built back in June 13 of 1912. Back in those days, it was made out of wood. It's a popular bridge too. You might have seen in movies like Fast and the Furious and Bad Boys. Many episodes of Miami Vice in the 80s were shot here. Over, I will be calling some winners. If you want to be selected winners and choose where you want to go, and all you have to do is pay your taxes. Best part about this, we have a whole year to use it. You don't have to use it right away. You can choose Bahamas, Jamaica, Cancun, Dominican Republic, Las Vegas, or even a cruise.
Yeah,
Le pertenece a un señor que se llama Angel Jesso, fundador de la compañía de lentes en contactos americanos, que se llama 1-800. The White House in the corner belongs to Ms. Lisa Heinstein. Lisa Heinstein was one of Behind it, a two-story White House with a flat roof that belongs to Mexican pop star Paulina Rubio. They call her the Golden Girl of Mexico. She's gonna see a great boat that's out of the water. Behind that great boat, you're gonna see a White House with a brown roof. It's got a jacuzzi on the roof, a jacuzzi on the second floor. Behind the boat, the main pool. His name is Mike Krieger. Mike Krieger is the founder of Instagram. This guy sold the application to Facebook for $1 billion when he was 25 years of age. Coming up ahead of us on the left also, you're going to see another island, but this one is natural. It's got a monument. That's the home of Sean Puffy Combs. You better know to the one that's puffed out here painting it. So I'm looking at the girls over there like they don't know. You know, never mind.
Our boat tour has ended and we're gonna look some food to eat. Yeah, after every tour, food. And I think I want a mojito. I'm gonna look for a mojito bar and get a strong one. So we're at the mojito bar, finally find it. Look at Miss Fancy. That is Miss Fancy enjoying herself in Miami. Oh my god. So guys, my mojito is almost done and we're leaving the boat ride area and we're going to find some food, look something to eat. I am so hungry and I'm feeling frass. Yep. Yeah, I don't know, but I love coming to Miami. Whenever I'm in Miami, it's just a different feeling from when I'm in West Palm Beach. Yeah. I love coming to Miami for a little weekend getaway. A little let loose, something like that. Yeah. Look at mother wearing her sweater. Hey, one thing I'm sensitive about the cold, you know. Already time at look at me and I'm sensitive about the cold. Oh, so that's crazy. So now I'm passing the road, I'm in a crossing. Oh, so I'm going to pass the road and I lick my backside. Oh my god. So me run cross and Mr. Road cross behind me. Oh God. But Kevin, you just go across the road and there wasn't any walk sign on.
Because the red went on, like when we left the first
Oh,
night.
oh, because me see me notice the people them like waiting on the walk sign. And then me come across and everybody looking like I wonder.
Once the pastor John Gale come across this road.
Bye. That's how I feel right now. So yeah. Downtown Miami. I don't come with it.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, downtown Miami. So whenever I want to unleash and do the things them come down to
Oh my gosh.
Miami. But yeah, I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling it's a good evening. I'm standing like camera too much, you know. I mean, I've already every one of my vlog, me have already them. I'm standing give me a hat, you know. I bought this hat for her. I bought this hat for her, but she said it fits me more than her, so she gave it to me. So
That's it.
now I have a hat. Come on. So now I have a hat. But she did have it on this morning and I didn't see anything wrong with it. But from it right on to say, yeah, I made that fit me more than she and I should keep it. So yeah, I'm keeping it. Alright guys, so now we are going to the Bahama Breeze restaurant to get something to eat. Yeah, so we drove like 40 minutes from the boat ride area. We drove 40 minutes to come to this restaurant to get some nice food to eat. Right, Miss Nancy? Right, Miss Nancy? Nancy take back her hat from me. Can you imagine that? She really laugh off of me. Take back your hat. Yeah. Well, I'm so happy for Miss Nancy. She enjoyed her birthday weekend. Oh no, the lady take back her hat from me. The lady said she wants a picture in her hat, and I said she want back her hat. Lord, she got the lady take back her hat and they laugh off of me, you know. But yeah, we're going to the restaurant now, guys, so I'll see you when we get in there. Over here? Okay.
Serving with you shortly.
Alright, thank you. Alright guys, so we're now inside the Bahama Breeze. That's your restaurant name, Kevin? Bahama Breeze restaurant. So I'm gonna choose something for dinner. I should choose an appetizer first and a drink. Classic chicken wings for appetizer. Okay. Ultra chill Mai Tai. I'm gonna try that one.
Thank you. My name is Jessica. I'm going to be taking care of everyone.
Okay.
Have you guys been here before?
Not this location.
Perfect. Welcome for your first time. Do you guys know what you want to start off with for drinks, or do you want any recommendations?
Yeah, recommendation is fine.
Of course. So
For her, I'll need a virgin drink.
Of course. So we have 2 virgin drinks. I'll show you the pictures. We have a pina colada that's pineapple coconut, and we do it with fresh mango chunks. And then we also have the virgin Bahamarita. That one, it looks like this. It's strawberry, kiwi melon, and mango. That one is my favorite.
Okay. I'll try that one for her.
Bahamarita.
Yeah. And for me, I'm gonna try the Ultra Chill Mai Tai.
I'm gonna make sure that we have it.
Do you have the regular Mai Tai?
That's the only one that we have, but the machine was messed up. I'm gonna check.
Oh,
before.
okay. Okay. Jerk chicken pasta. Wait, take me something I say me go take for mommy there. Oh, the jerk might.
Yes, we do have the ultra for my Thai. That one's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna do that for me. Alright guys, so we get our appetizer. Appetizer. Oh yeah,
When
thank
like utensils and stuff like that.
Yeah, Fantasia. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we get our food and we're eating. I'm having the jerk chicken pasta and mom is having grilled salmon with yellow rice and broccoli and baby back rib. Oh my god, I am so full. So full and stuff. And mommy just tell me if me overeat, me go sin, so might have to bring home this. Drink a little more of that. I think we had too much appetizer. And then the mojito, the Mai Tai, and I'm just feeling over it. Feeling cross. Oh yeah, well you guys, we're gonna wrap it up now. We get some to-go box and we're gonna go home because right now feeling tired and sleepy and exhausted. Guys, stay tuned and continue watching. And you look fine. I want you to be mine. Alright guys, so I think we've come to the end of my weekend vlog. We are going home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more vlogs. Bye. Say bye to Miami. Miss Tensi there. Say bye, Miss Tensi. Bye. Alright guys, thank you for watching.